Hello, and welcome to our instructional tutorial on how to locate directions for important student processes on the Registrar's website. In order to locate the Registrar's website, please visit registrar.ucr.edu. Once on the homepage, please scroll down and beneath Enrollment, locate the How To. Then click. Once you click, you will be redirected to this page. The first process the registrar introduces you to is registering for classes. In addition to previewing important campus updates, it will show step-by-step how to register for classes in interactive modules. When clicked on step 1, we show step 1 in important text. I will highlight this text now. Other important student processes, like registration, are included in this left tab, such as waitlisting a class. If we scroll down, we can see other processes that are also included step by step, such as adding yourself to a waitlist. Some of these directions are found in external PDFs. When you see follow the instructions here, if we click these, they will redirect us to external PDFs in these very efficient and well thought out direction pages. These PDFs include both still image and text and are very effective in guiding you, the student, through these processes. In addition to waitlisting, the registrar will also teach you information about scheduled classes, catalogs, advising requirements, planning for your final exam, how to create and submit a term plan, readmission, withdrawal, cancellation, enrollment adjustment forms, holds, and more. We encourage you to visit their website if you would like to learn more about important student processes required for registering for classes and more. If you have any questions, please reach out to them. Thank you for watching.